Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can automatically add all your Facebook leads to your Google Sheets in a single click. So I am running a digital marketing agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. So I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form. I want that as soon as a new lead is received for my business, automatically all the details of that lead, such as their name, email address, their phone number, and the company name should be recorded systematically in my Google Sheets. So in order to automate this entire process, I will simply build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, and that I'm going to do with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account. So here you can see on the screen we have a blank workflow with trigger and actions. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. When we are going to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets as trigger and action, we can see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means as soon as a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then the data will be recorded in Google Sheets. So here we are going to start building the connection between these applications and to automate the process. So first of all, here you can see my trigger application is already selected, that is Facebook lead ads, and the trigger event is also selected. We have the trigger event as new lead instant. That means as soon as the lead will be received, instantly the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to show you how you have to build a connection between your Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on connect for that. I'm already logged into my Facebook page, as you can see. So I will just go towards add new connection. We will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. The account is detected. So let's click on continue. And you can see that the connection is built. So when the connection is built, now we are going to move forward. We will simply select the page. Which page you want to connect? The name of my page is Digital Dynamics. So here I'm going to select the same. Then we have to select the lead gen form. I want that whenever the new form will be submitted by the lead, then the response should be captured. We'll turn this simple response button on, and we'll simply click on save and send test request button now. As the lead is going to submit the form, we are going to receive the response now. The test response is already captured. It is showing waiting for webhook response. So now I'm going to fill up the form, this lead gen form in front of you with some dummy details, and as soon as we will do that, the response will be captured. So for that, I'm going to take you towards Metaphor Developers. And over here in Metaphor Developers, I have opened Lead Ads Testing Tool. This is the tool which is going to help us to test our integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. So this is my form. I have opened the form and I have entered all the details. We have the lead details, and when I'm going to submit this form, the response will be automatically captured inside Pabbly Connect. So here let's wait for the response for a few seconds. And the response is received, as you can see. So when the response is received, you can see we have received all the details. We have the type of interest in which the lead is interested. We have the shift. We have the name of the lead. We have their email address, the phone number, the company name, and the date and time at which the lead is received. Okay, this means our connection is absolutely successful between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So now every time a new lead will be received, the response is going to be captured. When the response is received, we want to create a record of this lead in our Google Sheets. So I'm going to delete all the existing details from this spreadsheet, and here I'm going to add the fresh data in front of you. For that, you can see in the action step, I've already selected my action application as Google Sheets and also the action event to add a new row. We'll simply click on connect. To build the connection, you can see I'm again logged into my Google Sheets. I will go towards add new connection. We'll click on sign in with Google. Let's select our account. And over here, we'll click on allow. So we are providing the permission to Pabbly Connect in order to access our Google Sheets, and the data is 100% safe. So here we have to enter the details in these fields to create a record. First of all, let us select the spreadsheet name. The name of my spreadsheet is leads data. So I'm going to select the same. Then here the sheet is already selected. We have to enter the name, email, phone number, and the company name. All these details are already received in our earlier response. So one by one, we will map them. First of all, I will map the first name. I will use a space. Then I will map the last name. This is the full name of the lead. Then I'm going to map the email of the lead, the phone number, and over here we have the company name. So here I have mapped that as well. When we have mapped all these details from the previous step, they have become dynamic. So all these details are automatically going to replace with every new response now. So whenever a new Facebook lead will be received, automatically the details are going to replace with the new details of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. Let's click on save and send test request button. As soon as we have done that, the response is captured, and this is the range in which the data is updated. So I'm going to take you towards my spreadsheet now. And yes, here we have all the details systematically: name, email, phone number, and the company. This means our connection is absolutely successful. So what we have done, we have built the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in such a way that as soon as a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details are going to be recorded in Google Sheets. So we have created this automation without any coding and any programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have
have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.